Performance and powertrain. The Mahindra XUV 3XO EV AX5 is the performance leader, offering significantly higher torque than its competitors. Mahindra XUV 3XO EV AX5 features a 147 brake horsepower motor with 310 Nm of torque, delivering a 0 to 100 km/h sprint in just 8.3 seconds. Tata Nexon EV Creative 45 delivers 142 brake horsepower and 215 Nm of torque. It is punchy but more linear than the 3XO. MG Windsor Excite produces 134 brake horsepower and 200 Nm. It focuses on smoothness rather than outright speed. Tata Punch EV Adverb EMP LR smallest motor in this group at 121 brake horsepower and 190 Nm. 2. Battery, range and charging. Range figures vary significantly between claimed array MIDC and real-world performance. 3. Space and practicality. The AMG Windsor redefines cabin space in this segment with its crossover MPV design. Boot space, the AMG Windsor offers a massive 604 liters. In comparison, the Punch EV 366L, 3XO EV 364L and Nexon EV 350L are standard for subcompact SUVs. Rear comfort, the Windsor features 135-degree reclining aero lounge seats, providing far superior legroom and comfort for chauffeur-driven owners. Wheelbase, Windsor has the longest wheelbase at 2,700 mm compared to the 3XO EV's 2,600 mm and Nexon's 2,498 mm. 4 key features and variant specifics. Tata Nexon EV Creative 45, despite being a mid-trim, it gets the large 45 kWh battery. It features LED DRS, a touchscreen with wireless connectivity, and high-quality interiors. MG Windsor Excite, the base trim but still highly tech-forward. It features a 10.1-inch touchscreen, 6 airbags, and all-wheel disc brakes as standard. Punch EV, Adventure vs Empowered LR. Adventure LR, utilitarian focus, lacks the premium screens and soft-touch materials. Empowered LR adds a 10.25-inch touchscreen, air purifier, sunroof, and a more premium sound system. 5. Safety. Tata Punch EV already holds a 5-star BNCAP rating. Standard across all, 6 airbags, electronic stability control, escape, and ISOFIX mounts are standard on all these 2026 models. Key differences and variants. MG Windsor Excite, best for families needing maximum interior room. It features aero lounge seats with 135-degree recline. While it has the largest boot, 604L, it has the lowest torque in this group. Tata Nexon EV Creative 45, the range champion with a 45 kWh pack, offering the highest claimed range, 489 km. It is more compact than the Windsor but offers a more balanced SUV driving feel. Mahindra XUV 3XO EV AX5, the performance pick with a massive 310 Nm of torque and the fastest 0-100 sprint, 8.3s. The with charger version includes a 7.2 kW AC fast charger for till 6.5-hour full charging. Tata Punch EV long range. Adventure LR focuses on value, offering the 35 kWh battery and 7.2 kW charging capability but with